Did you know that a single cup of chickpeas packs a whopping 15 grams of protein? That's nearly as much as an egg. These humble legumes, often relegated to just hummus and salads, are actually a nutritional powerhouse. They are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, making them a perfect meat alternative. Not only are chickpeas rich in protein, but they are also loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This makes them a healthy and satisfying addition to any diet. Imagine sinking your teeth into a dish so flavorful and satisfying that you completely forget it's meat-free. That's the magic of chickpeas. These little legumes, with their nutty flavor and satisfying texture, can be transformed into culinary masterpieces. One bite of a well-prepared chickpea dish, and you'll understand why they're rapidly becoming the meat substitute of choice. Finding a truly satisfying meat alternative has been a long-standing challenge. Many options lack the heartiness and depth of flavor that meat provides. Tofu, while versatile, can be bland. Seitan, though texturally similar to meat, often requires extensive preparation. Vegetables, while delicious, don't always provide the same level of satiety. The beauty of chickpeas lies in their adaptability. They can be roasted to crispy perfection, simmered in hearty stews, or pureed into creamy dips. Their texture can range from firm and chewy to soft and yielding, depending on the cooking method. This versatility allows them to seamlessly integrate into a wide range of cuisines and dishes. Let me introduce you to a dish that will redefine your perception of chickpeas, a spicy chickpea stir-fry. This recipe is a testament to the chickpea's versatility and its ability to satisfy even the most discerning palates. It's quick, easy, and bursting with flavor, making it perfect for a weeknight meal or a weekend feast. Chickpeas offer a significant advantage over meat in terms of both health and environmental impact. They are naturally cholesterol-free and low in saturated fat, making them a heart-healthy choice. Their high fiber content aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Furthermore, chickpea cultivation requires significantly less water and land compared to meat production. I urge you to embrace the chickpea revolution. This humble legume holds the key to a world of culinary possibilities. It's time to ditch the misconception that meatless meals are bland and boring. With chickpeas as your guide, you can create dishes that are both delicious and nutritious. Try this spicy chickpea stir-fry and experience the transformative power of chickpeas firsthand. Share your culinary adventures with friends and family, spreading the word about this incredible meat alternative. Subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes and culinary insights, and let's embark on a journey of deliciousness together.